The sounds of the word your child hears growing up, whether through your talking or your reading or singing to them, are created by letters of the alphabet that form those words. Each of those letters has a unique sound, and an important step towards learning to read is to help your child understand and learn the different sounds that each letter makes. A is for apple. How does A sound? Verbalize the letter so your child learns to recognize those sounds. Then turn it into a game. What letter does your name start with? How does that letter sound? What other word starts with that sound? By teaching your child that each letter in the alphabet has a special sound, you'll help them to understand that by putting letters together, you can create the words they speak and will soon read.